guys, this is Naaz Arora. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're loving the content that I have been doing recently. So I have a special guest today.
Yeah. Hi.
This is Ayush. He's a makeup expert. And today what are we going to do?
Yeah, so I'm going to do a quick smoky look, a quick green smoky on her.
Yes.
And I'll be using just a pencil and just a blending shadow.
And this is the look that we've already created. So to continue and learn how to do this easy smoky look, please keep on watching this video.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah, so I'll be using this Lotus Emerald Green pencil and I'll be applying this pencil on a eyelid. Smudging this pencil only to create the smoky effect. Make sure the playtime of the pencil and just smudge it quickly. Okay, so now I'm just using this flat eyeshadow brush to smudge it.
Guys, make sure you smudge this very quickly because the playtime of the pencil might be less.
And just to maintain the intensity, after smudging I'll be using this pencil again. Just very close to the lash line. So I'll just make it more intense by using the pencil again.
So you have to keep repeating basically back and forth till the time you're happy with the intensity of the color, right?
Yeah.
So now we are using this Urban Decay Naked palette.
Yeah. And I'm using the shade Lockout just to blend in the crease. Open your eyes a bit.
Guys, make sure it is nicely blended and there are no lines between the two colors. Yeah.
Show me? Yeah, it's almost done. Because it's a very nice
Brown.
yeah, matte brown. Just want this brush to be clean and just blending the edges now. On the waterline, I'll be using this Sephora's Kajal. See up. That's it for the Kajal. I'll be smudging this pencil again on a lower lash line. See up. Yeah, see up. I'm just smudging the pencil with this application brush again. Basically, I'm using this flat brush because this maintains the intensity also and it does the smudging job. I'm not using especially like a separate smudger. Just a bit more intensity. So now it's time for the highlight. Okay, so I'm using this Sephora palette and this nice silvery shade. I'll be using this for highlighting. Close. That's it for firstly I'm gonna curl her lashes with this collab eyelash curler. I know she's afraid of this.
I am.
So now I'm using this Maybelline
Last Sensational
mascara. Okay, to add the nice volume in the lashes.
Okay, Ayush, so tell our viewers what is the best way to avoid mascara stains on your eyeshadows.
Okay, so what I do, I just use my thumb. Okay, I just keep my thumb like this and then apply the mascara. So whatever excess or whatever like mascara that will go on your eye, that will actually come on my thumb.
So you can see Ayush has it on his thumb. So that's the technique.
I just do it like this. Yeah, see up. It's turn for the eyebrows and I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm using this powder shadow to fill in the brows and I'm using this PAC eyebrow brush. So how do you like your eyebrows? To be filled in very darkly or you just want to
make
them
them naturally filled in.
Okay.
And yeah, but they should be intense enough so that they can be visible from a distance. That's the point of filling an eyebrow, I feel.
Yeah.
But then they should be in the...
eyebrows add up a lot. If you just fill in your brows, that adds up a lot into your makeup.
Yeah, totally.
We're done. For the brow bone, I'm using the same Sephora highlighter which I used on an eye. The shade name is beige. So now I'm putting this highlighter on her brow bone. Yeah, and we are done with the look.
So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on the green smoky eye.
Yeah, and if you like the video, just keep supporting, keep subscribing, and yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.